Managing family and flat budget and expense is not a complicated thing anymore. Let's introduce our family budget and expense sharing calculator. Let's go to the setup tab, then add family name, start date, and select a language. And then add the family contribution members details and their fixed contribution, and make sure the total contribution percentage is set. Okay. Now let's add monthly transactions, add date, and you can select expense category, then add description and select paid by whom. It can be family fund or individual members. When members deposit to the family fund, add that in the fund deposit in the members contribution summary. And then don't forget to update the monthly budget. Let's add some more data. We can add some more transactions, and maybe we can add a previous month's data also. Let's add some monthly transaction in August tab, monthly budgets in August tab, and the members contribution. Okay, so let's see how this works. So let's go to the summary tab, and we can see a total summary of family budget and expense. And in here we can select data in different filter option like this month, last month, and it will automatically actually update the data. Okay, so we can also select this year, last year, different month of last 12 months, and the different years. Okay, so let's just focus on last month data. You can see expense breakdown by their categories and budgets, and also the contribution percentage and amount from this summary. Okay, and also we have a summary table in the below in this sheet. Okay, thank you.